Hi guys, my name is Jason Leung and welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson we are learning Ushiro Geri, aka spinning back kick. There are essentially 3 steps to this kick, so if you guys are ready, I'm going to show you guys how it's done. So with Ushiro Geri, there are essentially 3 steps. Okay, the first step is the spin. A couple pointers when you do the spin is you always want to maintain eye contact to the target. Okay, you literally want to keep your eyes on the target until you can no longer keep your head in that position, until you feel tension in your neck, and then quickly switch and lock onto the target here. Okay. Another thing, you don't want to over rotate your hips, because if you over rotate your hips, you're gonna land into a lunge kick or a side kick, essentially. All right, so step 1 is to spin, maintain eye contact, don't over rotate your hips. Your hips are essentially square, you're looking over your shoulder, weight is on your supporting leg, and kicking leg is nice and light on the ground. Okay, from this position, step 2 is the kick itself. Okay, you want to kick with the heel. Okay, you don't want to kick by pointing your toes on the target. Okay, heel, this is the kick. So from the spin position, your heel goes directly to the target. Okay, another detail is that you want to keep your toes down. Keeping your toes down will help you contain your energy in and help you transfer your power efficiently to your opponent. Okay, be sure to keep your hips square, okay, not to the side. If my hips are to the side and my toes are to the side, this becomes side kick. Okay, we are going Ushiro Geri, back kick. Okay, heel, kicking with the heel, toes down, hips square. Okay, looking over your shoulder. One more detail about the kick. Okay, we spin, itch, we kick. Now, if I just land here, can you push me? Push me, push. I will get off balance if I don't apply my hips and my supporting leg to follow through. Okay, so I'm kicking with my left leg so you guys have a better angle. Okay, eyes on the target. Spin, lock, on. Right here. Now, you essentially want to feel this feeling here, like you're falling into your opponent. Okay, this feeling helps you carry your weight and power through the target, okay, rather than this. Okay, my head is going that way and I'm just kicking away. So if I'm here, right here, okay, going through my opponent, you see my supporting leg? You're not locking it out, but this extension and this hip follow through is gonna help you drive to your opponent. Drive through the target. For Ushiro Geri, there are 2 ways to land. The traditional way, which is I do my kick, and then I re-chamber, square my hips, and going forward. Okay, this way is not always the most practical. If I'm here, here. Okay, they teach you this in Kihon to help you learn to drive through, to carry your momentum forward. Okay, that's not a bad thing, but it's not the most practical, because if I have a live opponent and I land my kick going forward, he might punch me as I'm coming in. Okay, this is not what I want. Now the second way to land the kick, step 3, okay, we have the traditional approach. The modern approach is more for combat, for more practical. Okay, after I'm here, okay, I land in a stance, more tactical. I can respond, I can shift, okay, and back up if I need to. From here, down, down and back, okay? Eyes on the target. I'm looking through my target actually, okay? After I did the landing, the kick, I'm here. Instead of 1, and then he might punch me like that. Okay, the traditional way to land might be good for Kihon, for tradition, okay, to demonstrate fundamentals, but for real combat and application, all right, you want to be tactical, okay? You want to be always thinking about the next move. After I do my kick, I'm here. I do my kick, here, boom, right here, all right? This is the feeling you want. Driving through, eyes locked on, toes down, hips square. Drive, and come on. Instead of landing forward. Okay, so now you guys know Ushiro Geri. Thank you so much for watching. Train hard, have fun, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Os.